All right, today we finna watch this. If y'all read the title, thank you for the sub. If y'all read the title, so y'all might get a little spooked. Just sit back. It's a little short video. Yeah, we can watch the whole thing. Just sit back and get y'all popcorn. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.
Since I've done a Ring cameras video, and as it turns out, people are still creeps and a lot of new videos have surfaced, so let's look at some of them. This first video is a very real and grisly reminder that danger can be following you anywhere at any time, even to your front door. And it can be a lesson, especially for women, to be alert of your surroundings, especially before opening your front door.
See, see, nah. And she got a kid. Let's see. Is he gonna walk? See, he tried to run.
As you just saw, a mother holding her infant daughter unknowingly leads a
The
man to
baby
her front
saw him.
door.
Look,
And was
the baby saw him
mother
already.
holding her infant daughter unknowingly leads a man to her front door and was mere seconds away from him getting inside. As the man approaches the driveway, you can see him pulling up the mask over his face to conceal his identity, clearly with premeditated intentions. As the man walks up the driveway, the daughter takes notice to him as the mother is still completely oblivious to the approaching threat. Luckily, she makes it inside and shuts the door in time. She only realized what had just happened after looking through the terrifying Ring footage. The woman made a report to the police as soon as she saw the
This
footage.
crazy, bro.
What the
Y'all gotta
police
watch
said
out,
was
man.
disturbing.
For real.
There had been a series of reports of a brutal and violent rapist in the area who had been targeting women and children. It's suspected that he and this man were the same person. No sane person leaves their house with a full face mask such as this one if they're not knowingly about to commit a serious crime and want to conceal their identity. The woman in the video just may have saved her and her child's life just by the skin of her teeth. If you're not convinced of just how often this kind of thing happens, here's a similar video. A young college-age looking girl is coming home, letting herself into her house.
Oh, I think I've seen this
Not
one.
even 5 seconds after she enters the home, two large men step on the porch, and the one in front immediately tries to open the door.
I think I've seen this one like a year ago. Bro, there is no way y'all are this down bad, bro.
Some people think the men looked genuinely confused and may have had the wrong house. However, the short window of
Nah,
time between the girl
I don't
entering the
think so.
house and the men stepping on the porch would have definitely allowed them to see the girl. You'd think anyone who just tries to open the door to a house surely must know they have the right house, or at the very least, know who lives in the house. It could also be argued that when the man turns to his friend behind him, he's making mention of the camera, and so he pretends to think he has the right house by sticking around and knocking, despite the obvious screams from the girl inside as she notices the men at the door. It seems they only run off after the girl starts screaming, "We're calling the police." So unlike the first video, there's no 100% proof of whether these guys had bad intentions or not. Whether they were trying to grab the girl, or if they genuinely had the wrong house is up for debate, as there's no further info on this video. If it is the second one,
Y'all are
Everything
weird.
about the men's
I'm not
actions
gonna lie.
was sketchy. In this video, on the other hand, what's going on couldn't be more clear. In the early morning hours on October 16th in Kent, Washington, a couple's seen returning home. The husband is seen unlocking the door, and seconds later, as the man's wife follows behind, she turns her head to a gun-wielding suspect chasing behind her. She acts quickly and runs inside, locking the front door. The suspect then spots the ring camera and hits it repeatedly with his...
First off, let's take it back. Couple more. Why is you walking in the house first and leaving your wife behind? Your wife got to walk in first, then you. You lock the door after her. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
head to a gun-wielding suspect chasing behind her.
She was fast though. She was fast. But you gotta walk in last, bro. Your wife, your sister, anybody.
She acts quickly and runs inside, locking the front door. The suspect then spots the ring camera and hits it repeatedly with his gun, effectively breaking the device. It's at this time that you can notice a second man there as well. The couple spent their night at a casino, and for this reason, the wife believes the two men followed them home from the casino, hoping to rob them of any of their winnings. Fortunately, they made it inside safely. The suspect with the gun was identified by police as 18-year-old Al Hussein Drameh, and he was arrested on October 26th. As
18. Bro, this man is 30, bro. He's 30, bro. I don't care. He's 30. Nowhere he's
Al
18.
Hussein Drameh, and he was arrested on October 26th. He faced multiple charges, including burglary in the first degree, and he pleaded not guilty to all of them. With this fourth video, we move to something a little more paranormal. This was caught on a TikToker named Nolan Brock's indoor Ring security camera while he was sleeping on the couch. At 1:39 in the morning, he's awoken to the pantry doors opening and some kind of cracks or bangs coming from either.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
The pantry or from the doors themselves.
That's crazy. Bro, if I saw this, bro, I don't know.
With the fan running, the thought of it being a draft wasn't out of the question per se. He ignored it and tried to go back to sleep. But 4 minutes later at 1:43, this happened.
No. No. No, 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 no. This ain't nobody, bro. This is not a person. This is not a person. Nah. I don't know what to say.
One of the doors is aggressively yanked shut. And this officially removes any possibility of a draft being the cause of the doors moving. It's safe to assume he slept in his bed the rest of the night. This next video also comes from inside of a house instead of the front porch, and this one can play on one of the biggest fears of a lot of people, and that is someone lurking around your house as you sleep. In Wichita, Kansas,
This one's
family's
crazy.
ring cameras
That
captured
last
the
one was
terrifying
crazy.
video footage of a stranger standing directly over sleeping 15-year-old Anaya Robinson at around 2:30 a.m. on a Friday night. This was the footage captured. Anaya said once she opened her eyes, she felt like she was in a scene from a horror movie, seeing somebody sitting over her, watching her that she didn't know. Anaya rushed to her mother Angel's room,
Bro.
screaming there's somebody in the house. Jolted awake, Angel made sure her 2-year-old daughter and
Turn the
Anaya were
lights on and
safe in a
everything.
room before calling the police. Wichita police responded quickly, but the intruder was already gone. It's likely the boy entered the house simply through the front door. Luckily, the Ring cameras clearly caught his face, and using this footage, the police acted on a tip and were able to arrest a 14-year-old boy whose name was not
14?
released. The boy faced aggravated burglary and theft charges.